Woods.
What's that?
Put your hands on anybody today?
No. Haven't had to.
Unless it's necessary.
Haven't done it in years.
Well, you did it yesterday.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, you did.
Touched your arm. I pet my dog harder than that.
Touching, unwanted touching.
That's assault.
It's technically assault.
Harassing people can be too.
Just because you're wearing a badge doesn't give you the right to put your hands on someone.
never felt that way about
Just holding a camera, according to the United States Supreme Court, it's an expressive art form, and it can't be deemed a disruption.
And there are limitations.
Time, place, and manner.
You with that. There are limitations.
Time, place, and manner.
Yeah, you need to learn the law. Mind your business. I'm going to pull your record, sir. I'm going to pull your record, your salary, and everything. Matter of fact, I did it just about 10 minutes ago.
Good. How much do I make?
Well, we'll find out in 10 business days. And then I'll post it and let everybody know
Okay.
how much we're paying you
Thanks.
to violate people.
I ain't violating anybody.
You put your hands on me yesterday.
I was trying to keep you from
Doesn't
getting
matter.
run over by a car.
Doesn't matter. You put your hands on me over there, sir.
I did not.
My safety's not your worry.
Never touched.
I'm a
I
grown-ass
reached out here,
man.
I never even touched you out here. I reached out here to keep you from getting run over by a car.
I'm a grown man.
Because you were
You're
backing
not.
right into a car.
You're not my daddy.
55 years old, I've never been hit by a car yet.
I learned how to cross the road in first grade, sir.
Both ways.
I worked a lot of fatal crashes with 55-year-olds who got hit by cars.
My safety's none of your business.
Trying to help.
Yeah, I'll ask for help if I need it.
Okay.
You wasn't trying to help when you tried to push me out of a public place.
I never touched you. I never pushed you.
Yes, you did, sir. I got it on camera
Asked you to
from 2 different angles.
just don't harass.
Don't tell me what to do. You keep your mouth shut. How about
Harass
that?
patrons out there.
Don't tell me what to do. Don't eat yellow snow.
Don't harass patients.
Tuck it before you zip it. Dumbass. Tell me what to do. I don't need any directives from you, sir. I'm not detained.
I never said you were.
Why don't you get to work and start doing your job
Approached
correctly?
me. I didn't approach you.
You approached me, sir,
Here?
yesterday.
No, you approached me here now.
Right, because I'm filming you.
Just don't harass people.
Don't tell me what to do. Do your job. Don't shoot nobody. Don't shoot.
They hide in the restrooms. Just walk till the floor changes color. If you look over that silver wall there, you kind of see that sign.
Don't harass people. Don't shoot nobody's dog.
When did I do that?
Don't put your knee on somebody's neck till they die.
So you can't direct me to back away. You can go fuck yourself. What's your name and badge number?
All right, I sent her a 2045. If you're disturbing her peace and she wants to press charges, like you said, I'm a public servant. I have to do what you request, all right?
No, you're not. You're supposed to follow the law.
You're supposed to follow the law. They don't do that here. No, you don't. No, you don't.
Y'all are some of the worst people I've ever met.
Yeah, you're in the biggest gang in America, bud. Yes, you are a gang.
You're a gang.
You're a sanctioned gang.
You're a sanctioned gang. Springfield, Missouri gang.
Yeah, you don't know me.
You were assaulted, you asked for help.
Good for fucking you and me.
I never call you.
No, you didn't.
It's weird, right? It's weird that when you want help, you call 911, right?
Have you been drinking?
No. It's an ignorant question.
You smoking meth today?
That's also an ignorant question.
How many weed? You been smoking weed today?
No. Y'all have like a forum on Reddit where you guys like go back and forth with questions on police. You see someone do it in California, you're like, oh, that's a good one. I should ask the police that question next time. No.
Don't answer questions.
Not to do it.
You do if I ask them. That's your job.
Nope, not my job to answer your questions.
You will in front of a judge in a federal court.
Oh, in federal court?
Mm-hmm. You'll answer all my interrogatories if you mess up.
I don't mess up.
We'll see. Well, you assumed I was.
You water like last year too.
You assumed I was a part of a crew that just abuses cops. I don't abuse cops. My channel shines lights on the good ones as well as the bad.
We got the bad ones right here.
The only problem is
Yeah, we got
most
bad ones.
98% of my videos are bad.
You're bad. You just proved it there.
Look, he just did a U-turn without his lights on.
Oh my God, what are we gonna do about that?
I'm gonna file a complaint on him. Put a complaint in your jacket.
You can complain all you would like.
I know, because you're immune, aren't you?
Please. No, I'm not immune.
Yes, you are.
I'm not. If you would like to complain, you're welcome to.
Yeah, you're not immune from my complaints, because they won't just go to your captain. My complaints stick. Okay, are you going to interview?
Yes. What are you looking for?
A FOIA
I don't have a FOIA.
Sunshine.
sunshine request.
Oh.
Hey Jody, do you want to call Eric?
I talked to Eric down in the bottom floor, so.
Yeah.
No, he's not on the bottom floor. That's the wrong Eric.
Yeah, okay.
All right. I would offer you a please cease and desist to not destroy that public record you're making, ma'am, because I'm going to sunshine it off your phone.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
And I'll need yours as well.
No, you don't get
I'm
mine.
not a public employee, so you can't sunshine mine.
You'll see
but
mine.
You can yours. Not trying to be
Have you got
combative, just saying.
It sounds combative though.
Well,
Oh,
it isn't.
I don't mean
What
to
was
be.
your guys' names?
You can
Good
call.
citizen.
You can call me Mike
You can call me good citizen.
Hawk.
I'm engaged in a First Amendment protected activity, and that's that.
And what's your purpose though?
We're working on content for a story.
Like I said, I'm
To
here
gather confidential information?
No.
I'm
Because
here-
we
I'm
make
here
calls in here.
I'm here to gather a FOIA.
Let me make sure that everybody knows not to make confidential
FOIA.
calls right now.
That's how you.
Or
That's
a
how you.
sunshine request, and I'm being denied.
Okay. There's people recording. Hey everybody, don't make any confidential calls right now. There's people in here recording. Okay? Will you pass the word?
It is that easy.
What's your
Everybody
name?
quit working.
What's your name, ma'am?
What is your name?
Good
Maxine.
citizen.
I like that.
Oh.
Can I please have a FOIA request?
Or sunshine.
I don't have that form here.
Can I just have a piece of blank paper? I'll write it out.
Are we on the right floor?
Yep.
Oh, okay. I didn't know for sure if it was on the right floor.
Yeah.
Based on the sunshine laws, if you just give me a blank piece of paper, we can write out the request and give it back to you. There you go.
Yeah. Thank you. That'll work fine.
As soon as this is turned in, we will be out of your hair.
I contacted Eric, thank you. I've emailed him, I've attended to call Sharon, and we'll get this, we'll get you some support. Okay. And I'll stand here with you. You're gonna be, everything's fine.
Yeah, we don't mean to cause any harm. We're not up to anything nefarious.
But,
What's up, YouTube? JC News Now. I was out with News Now Lisa and Car Thief News the other day, and we was listening to the scanner and got a shoplifting call at Walmart. So we sat up outside and started waiting on the perp walk, right? Because nobody likes a thief. And not only that, we filmed cops. So there was already two units there, and one pulled up while we were out there. Well, a certain officer didn't like it that we were filming and decided to trespass us for 2 years nationwide from all the Walmart stores. And it went like this. His name is Robinson, and this is what it looks like. Not how trespass works.
Walmart.
Screw Walmart.
No, you don't.
Okay.
then leave the property.
I am.
Do not come back.
I am.
If you return to any Walmart property in the nation, you'll be arrested for trespassing. Same goes for you, sir.
I wasn't asked to leave.
I'm telling you to leave now.
Who are you? Are you the owner?
I am doing this on behalf of Walmart, who have asked me to tell you to leave the property.
Okay, that's all I needed.
All right.
What's your name?
Officer Robinson,
Got a badge?
1647.
All right.
All right.
What about
that
you?
applies to every single Walmart in the nation. You are now trespassed.
For how long?
Well, I just bought something. What are you talking about?
For how long?
Okay, you're fine.
I
You're
got
not
a
filming.
receipt. Excuse me, what's your name?
Officer Robinson, are you with these?
47. No, I'm not.
Okay. Don't be out here filming.
For-
Walmart doesn't want that.
For how long?
I just spent
Ever.
No, it's not ever. That's not how trespass works. A year?
2 years.
No, that's not how it works either.
2 years.
One.
According to Walmart.
First warning is 1. Yeah. All right. This guy's seriously butthurt. You can tell. Nice ID refusal, car thief news. That was awesome. Made me proud. And so, the car thief called corporate offices in Bentonville, Arkansas, and they said, no, that's not how we trespass people. And so we called the loss prevention office at this Walmart we're at. And they said, no, we never asked them to trespass you. And so you're a liar, Robinson. You are a liar. Liar, liar. Pants on fire. I'm going to be on every stop you make, bud. I can't wait to talk to you again. But anyway, good job, Car Thief News. News Now Lisa. Y'all go check them out. I hope you dug the video. More's coming up quick. And with that, peace.